Morning students, today we will do a construction of triangle when its base angle and the difference of other two sides are given. Now in the given question, that is, we have to construct a triangle ABC in which base is 8 centimeter, base angle is 45 degree, and the difference of other two sides, that is AB minus AC, is 3.5 centimeter. Now first of all, we will draw a line segment of 8 centimeter and we will name this line segment as BC. So BC is a line segment of length 8 centimeter. Now at the point B, we will construct an angle of 45 degree with the help of compass. So first of all, to draw 45 degree, what we'll do, we will have to draw an angle of 90 degree. Then so this is 60, from 61 mark above for 90, and this is 120. Again from 120 we will cut. Now we'll join it with the B point, the dotted line, because main construction we want 45 degree angle. Now we'll bisect this 45 degree angle. So from this we'll put our compass at this point and draw an arc. Similarly, we will put our compass at this point. Basically we want to bisect angle 90 degrees, so we will get 45 degree. Now we will join it with this center and extend it further. This is 45 degree angle. So let us name, we can say that let us name this ray as X. So we can say that XBC is 45 degree angle. Now along this BX we will cut off 3.5 centimeter because difference of two sides is 3.5 centimeter. So we will take 3.5 centimeter radius. Now this is 3.5 centimeter. You can see. This is 3.5. Now I'll put the compass at the point B and cut the arc. This is 3.5 centimeter. I'll name this point as D point. So BD is 3.5 centimeter. Now we'll join D and C with scale. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. So one arc from C, both the side, another from D. Now we will join it. This is the perpendicular bisector with the dotted line. Now, so we got the perpendicular bisector of BD. Now we'll extend this perpendicular bisector further so that it can intersect this line BX. So if I extend this line further little bit, and this line little bit, so they intersect at this point. So this is the intersection point of this perpendicular bisector and this BX. Let us name this point as A. Then we join this A with C. Now in this way triangle ABC is constructed, in which BC is 8 cm, the base and base angle 45 degree, and the difference of two sides, that is AB minus AC, is 3.5 cm. Now we'll verify whether it is 3.5 or not. Let us see with the help of scale what is the value of AB. So AB, when we measure with the scale, it is coming exactly 10.2 centimeter. So AB is 10.2 centimeter. Now we'll measure AC. How much AC is coming? So this is coming 6 point somewhere 6.7 centimeter is AC. Now if we subtract AB minus AC, so 10.2 minus 6.7 is 3.5 centimeter. In this way verification is also done.